we just had the consumer confidence index number come out, and that showed about a 6.5% month over month from August to September decline. So that's a pretty significant momentum indicator. It's not a perfect indicator, but at least it's something on the margin. And that so this was interesting. They said it's their biggest ever October event, which means now they've only had a couple of these events, so it's a small sample size, but it's at least proved that it's at least it shows that it's year over year growth, right? At least you've got growth. So kind of what's the deal here with that? And what I think is the trend that's pretty amazing is even after 25 years, this conversion from brick and mortar retail to e-commerce to online retail is still has legs. So it's only about 33% penetrated in the United States. And we think, why not 40? Why not 50? Especially as the brick and mortar guys now, like Walmart, everybody's in online now, and the lines are blurring a little bit. But certainly there's actually room to grow with e-commerce share take, and Amazon is definitely the leader there.
John, I got to ask you. I mean, labor. We've seen port workers. We're still seeing Boeing workers on strike, etc. Amazon has not had a smooth run in terms of relations with labor, right? So how is that going?
Well, actually, they built in a couple of price increases or wage increases rather, but in fact that's one of the arguments that maybe they can't expand their margins because of the wage factor. But at the end of the day, they spent a tremendous amount on their building out their logistics network. I mean, our family took a trip from here to Chicago, and all we saw from over the 10 hour of driving was Amazon trucks, right? They've really built out this network. It was really amazing. It was definitely more than FedEx or UPS, that's for sure. And so what that means in terms of margin expansion is in the last 9 quarters, they've gone from losing, the retail business has gone from losing a little bit of money, a negative 2.3% EBITDA margin, to a positive 5.6% profit operating margin, basically. So that's a big, that's a significant swing. And from here, I think the scale just gets better and better, and they'll be able to squeeze more efficiencies out of it on the back end. So our story with Amazon, as much as the top line growth from e-commerce, is the bottom line growth from cost optimization. Now, obviously, there is a risk with labor unions and so forth that, and obviously, and I think what Amazon wants to do is get in front of that, but that's tough to tell.